The midnight wind is blowing cold outside. Empty room and a lonely mind. I sit here waiting for the time to slide. My old saxophone is resting by my side. Low and slow it weeps into the night. No one hears the blues I try to hide. Dim neon glow upon the window pane. Whiskey glass and a faded refrain, lost in memories that won't go away. I let the tone drift slow and sweet again, sad but calm, easing up my pain. This old midnight blues becomes my friend. Slow down the rhythm, let the feeling rise. One lonely melody beneath dark skies, chasing shadows where the cold winds blow. A quiet story only blues can know. Turn my weary heart back home. The clock keeps ticking through the quiet hours. Gentle sadness wrapped in muted flowers. This midnight